Crazy English Part 3. Adjectives. Wait, that was Crazy English Part 2. You're right. This time we are talking about cumulative adjectives. What are cumulative adjectives and how do we use them? Keep watching and find out. All right, guys. Crazy English Part 3. Why do English speakers say this? Or, in this case, write this. Let's get started. This video is about cumulative adjectives and commas. If you watched my video Crazy English Part 2, you know that we sometimes use commas with adjectives and sometimes we don't. I suggest you watch that video before you watch this one. Okay. So, what are cumulative adjectives? Cumulative adjectives are a series, which means more than one, a series of adjectives that modify or describe a noun by providing different types of information about the noun. Different types of information like size, color, and origin. But here is the most important part, okay? With cumulative adjectives, each adjective depends on the one before it to fully understand the complete description of the noun, okay? Cumulative adjectives build upon each other and must be in a specific order, so they are not separated by commas. Okay, not separated by commas. Okay? Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and hit that like button. It really helps my channel. Thank you so much. Back to the video. Look at the following sentence. Notice the noun and the three adjectives. The man wore a navy blue wool scarf. The man wore a navy blue wool scarf. What is the noun? Scarf. What are the three adjectives? Navy blue wool. Okay. Which adjective describes the scarf directly? What do you think? Well, it is a wool scarf. The scarf is made of wool. This is the material. What does the adjective navy describe? Navy. Well, navy describes blue. Navy blue. Navy is a type or a shade of blue. Dark blue, light blue, navy blue, baby blue. These are all types of blue. What do the adjectives navy and blue describe? Well, they describe wool, the color of the wool. The color of the wool is navy blue. It's not red or green or white. It's navy blue. Therefore, the scarf can be described as being made from wool that is navy blue or navy blue wool. Understand? Okay, let's look at another example. I really want to buy a vegetable tanned Japanese horsehide leather jacket. Let me say that again. I really want to buy a vegetable tanned Japanese horsehide leather jacket. What is that? This. Oh, yeah. Very nice. That's me. Maybe one day in the future when I get some money because they are very expensive. Yeah. I'll save my pennies slowly. They're like, I don't know, 2,000 Canadian dollars. Kind of crazy. Okay. So, here is our sentence. What is the noun? Well, you just saw it in the picture. It's a jacket. What are the adjectives? Well, vegetable tanned, Japanese, horse hide, leather. 4 adjectives. Which adjective describes the jacket directly? What kind of jacket is it? It's a leather jacket. This means it's a leather jacket, not a wool jacket, not a cotton jacket, etc. Right? It's leather. And what type of leather is it? It's horsehide leather. Hide is skin, horse skin. It's horsehide leather, not cow skin leather or sheep skin leather, etc. The type of leather is a horse skin. And what type of horsehide leather is it? Well, it's Japanese horsehide leather. This means it's not Italian horsehide leather. It's not American horsehide leather or leather from other places. It's from Japan, Japanese horsehide leather. And what type of Japanese horsehide leather is it? Well, it's vegetable tanned. Vegetable tanned. What does this mean? Well, it's a specific type of horsehide leather, not a different type. This means a process. This is a factory where the process of vegetable tanning occurs. So vegetable tanned means leather that has been made in this specific process, not a different process. Therefore, the jacket can be described as being made from leather, that is, vegetable tanned Japanese horsehide, or vegetable tanned Japanese horsehide leather. Understand? Since cumulative adjectives build upon each other in a series or sequence, changing the order can change the meaning of the sentence. Let's look at an example. Here is our first example: a vegetable tanned Japanese horsehide leather jacket, a vegetable tanned horsehide Japanese leather jacket. What is the difference? Well, the adjective Japanese is in a different place. So what does this mean? A vegetable tanned Japanese horsehide leather jacket. It means the horsehide leather and the jacket are Japanese, both. Both are made in Japan, Japanese horsehide leather. The second example, a vegetable tanned horsehide Japanese leather jacket. This means only the jacket is made in Japan. It's unclear where the horsehide leather is made. Japanese leather jacket. But maybe the horsehide was made in Italy or some other country. We don't know. So the sequence of the adjectives, the order, sometimes is important. Easy, right? Well, so. Anyways, guys, I hope you learned something today. Let me know your questions down in the comments section below and your ideas for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe to the channel for more free English videos in the future. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.